regional minister. You can't be frustrated more than us.
Yeah, Ashanti regional minister online is interview no.
Honorable, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Honorable Bokode.
Nyame adum boko.
Yeah, the nyame ase. Honorable na no see wa oni caterers in them.
What is now hearing?
I said no okuku wasoro kakra.
Whether I'm cook was raw or not, that's not issue. What I'm saying is that number one, you cannot demonstrate without informing the police. What they did is they didn't even inform the police. Number two, oh problem, oh fan koni ban order, oh bar now in a ban compound. Is that what we do? So besides that, because I was there, more ban. Some money more boost, no me be ever how. Now, my order, which you order, no, they didn't ever on one. Will you be happy? So, we say, yeah, they don't come from the family.
Honorable Ntipedia, who person can say, when you are aware that says caterers any complain, say you into your mocha. Me person me bisa say, pedia who came, not just say, when you are aware, or won't say that, say caterers no, complain, say, won't you our mocha.
Make government cleaner. They themselves a man order. There's difference between the two things. If the records reach your Mokadias on one and see that.
Now, honorable office, what mean say, then ya mal reports any day, and also young family who da. Me say, per reports I had them no, and no memuda.
A reporter,
Yademau as a regional minister.
Honorable person who say when ya ebia intel bia say a regional security council let me ambo amane bia say bia caterers le person mobile pickety well RCC hall.
You see, if you get problems from the public, it's different from when you yourself approach the person, then the person will explain what the person has done or what the person has not done. Anytime they have problems, they can be all discussed. After institution, they can be all discussed. You can't just wake up one day and then you rush with noise to the regional court is done. Is that what we do? If everyone gets up without informing the police and they start demonstrating, is that what we do? Do you use legality to solve your problem? Is that what we are saying?
Honorable Minister,
is that what people are saying? That we should use illegality to solve problems. No,
but these two scenarios are quite different from each other. I mean, say we are there that one will cover different from say we call Papa Wakoboda.
My brother.
And as a father,
allow illegality in the system.
No, but that's fine. No, but you are a father.
So please, I'm ending line. Sorry, I'm not continuing. Thank you very much. I'm grateful to you for calling me. Thank you.
I don't get it.